Hello friends, welcome to yet another interesting and mysterious story. Today, we will talk about a question that has been lingering in people's minds for centuries. In the book of Genesis in the Bible, there is a character named Cain, who is also called Cain in Hindi. Cain was the first son of Adam and Eve, who killed his brother Abel. But the story doesn't end here. The Bible says that after the murder, Cain went to the land of Nod and there he had a wife. Wait, a wife? If Adam and Eve were the first humans, then where did Cain's wife come from? Is this a mistake in the Bible, or is there some deep mystery hidden behind it? Today, we will search for the answer to this question with facts, history, and an analysis of the Bible. So, let's peel back the layers of this mystery. First of all, let's try to understand the story in the Bible. According to Genesis chapter 4, Adam and Eve had two sons, Cain and Abel. Cain was a farmer and Abel was a shepherd. Both of them offered sacrifices to God, but God accepted Abel's offering and rejected Cain's. Angered by this, Cain killed Abel. God then cursed Cain, saying that he would wander forever. After this, Genesis 4:16-17 says, Then Cain went out from the presence of the Lord and settled in the land of Nod, which is east of Eden. Cain knew his wife, and she conceived and gave birth to Enoch. Here, the question arises, who was Cain's wife? If Adam and Eve were the first humans and they had only two sons, then where did this wife come from? Is there an error in the Bible, or are we missing something? Possible answers and arguments. Several theories have been proposed in response to this question. Let us look at them one by one and analyze them based on the facts. The most common answer given by Christian and Jewish scholars is that Cain's wife was his sister. Genesis chapter 5, verse 4 states that Adam and Eve had many sons and daughters. This means that apart from Cain and Abel, they had other brothers and sisters as well. At the beginning of humankind, marriage between brothers and sisters might have been common and acceptable. There is evidence in the Bible at several places mentioning sibling marriages in ancient times. For example, Abraham married his stepsister Sarah. Genesis 20:12. At that time, genetic problems were also fewer because the human gene pool was pure. But was this morally right? In today's times, marriage between siblings is considered immoral and illegal. Although the social and biological context of that era was different, still some people hesitate to accept this answer. The second theory is that there were already people living in the land of Nod who were not descendants of Adam and Eve. In Genesis 4:14, Cain says, Whoever finds me will kill me. This suggests that there were other people present at that time whom Cain was afraid of. Some scholars believe that God might have created other humans besides Adam and Eve who are not explicitly mentioned in the Bible. This theory is based on the differences between the creation stories in Genesis 1 and Genesis 2. But the Bible clearly states that Adam and Eve were the first humans. In Genesis 3:20, Eve is called the mother of all living. If there were other people, then why are they not mentioned in the Bible? This theory raises questions about the consistency of the Bible. The third theory is that there could be a time gap in the story as told in the Bible. The stories in Genesis are brief and do not provide every detail. It is possible that several generations had passed before the story of Cain, and by the time of Nod, settlements of Adam and Eve's descendants had already been established. The evidence is that the mention of time in the Bible is vague. For example, Adam lived for 930 years. Genesis 5, on the puns. In such a long span of time, many generations could have been born. Cain's wife could have been a distant relative from among them, but if that was the case, then why is it not clearly mentioned in the Bible? This theory is based on assumptions and lacks solid evidence. Now, let us look at this story from a historical and cultural perspective. The book of Genesis in the Bible was written about 2500 years ago when the Jewish people were exiled in Babylon. The stories of that time were symbolic and intended to impart moral lessons. The story of Cain too may not be just a historical fact, but could be meant to depict humanity's sins, jealousy, and God's justice. Even in ancient Mesopotamian stories like the Epic of Gilgamesh, stories about family and marriage were often vague. The writers of the Bible perhaps did not feel the need to record every minor detail. Apart from this, in Jewish traditions, there is a book called Jubilees, the Book of Jubilees, which is not a part of the Bible, and it says that Cain married his sister Avan. However, this book is non-canonical and not all Christians accept it. If this story was symbolic, does that reduce its historical significance? This question gives rise to the debate between faith and science. So, what is the mystery of Cain's wife? Was she his sister? Were there other people living in Nod? Or does this story conceal a gap in time? The truth is that the Bible does not give us a clear answer, but this question compels us to think. How can we strike a balance between faith, history, and science? In my opinion, the most probable answer is that Cain's wife was his sister or a close relative, as the context of the Bible suggests this. But if you are not satisfied with this answer, then this question inspires us to read the Bible more deeply and understand the ancient contexts. What do you think? Is this story truly historical or is it just a moral lesson? Do share your thoughts in the comments. Friends, if you like this mysterious story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you get notified about our next video. Next time, we will bring another interesting mystery for you. Till then, keep thinking and keep learning.